Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this quick video, I want to show you how to create this swipe up to show effect and swipe down to hide. Let's get started. To create a swipe up to show effect for this screen, I have a list here of ingredients. I'm gonna copy this list, Command C, and if you want those assets, you can download the exercise file in the description. So let me move it down here. All right, something like that. Now create a new screen. Let's keep it here to the side, and I want to remove all those and move the plate up, change its size, also maybe change the colors to white, and also this background image I will scale it down to create a parallax effect. And now I will move up my list, all right, like that, until the last ingredient appear. Now here we have two static screen. Let's go to prototype, move this, all right. So let's pick the ingredient frame and connect it with the second screen. And let's select on drag, smart animate gentle 800 millisecond. And this screen, the list frame, connected back to the first screen on drag. So this will be swipe down and this will be swipe up to show. All right. So let's go and pick preview. If I click and drag, as you can see, it is working. Swipe up to show and swipe down to hide. All right, that was everything for this tips. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.